you can have a backlog of 1,000 cases and have a turnaround time of 10 days, or you could have a backlog of 1,000 cases and a turnaround time of 9 months. I came in as the director in April of 2022. I wanted to kind of look at our agency from a fresh perspective and see what are some of the things that we could improve upon. One of the biggest things 10 years ago that was a goal for the agency and what was expressed in the assessment was achieving ISO accreditation. And we did do that in 2019. Now we need to look at how can we continue with the growth that we've had and how can we move the agency forward. Part of the recommendation from the assessment team was, instead of doing a screening and then doing a confirmation at another point in time, to essentially prep the sample twice, do all of the analysis at one time. So that way you're really only prepping the sample and spending the time doing the sample extraction in the beginning, and then you get the data to where you have both of those results. It was a pretty easy implementation as well, and it had a lot of bang for our buck. In August of 2023, I actually spoke in front of the state budget committee to get additional funding for our agency to do a laboratory renovation, an office renovation, and purchase of additional instruments. And the assessment that was done was used as part of our supporting documentation for what it was that we were looking for. I'm really proud of the work that our staff have accomplished in order to achieve this award. So we pride ourselves in not only doing quality work, but of course we want to do efficient work. So when we look at how many cases we have compared to how many staff we have and look at that at other laboratories, I'm always surprised by, how we are able to accomplish what we do with the limited staff that we have.